Welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to present to you an in-depth analysis of the best budget PC cases available in the market. If you're someone who wants to build a high-performance PC without breaking the bank, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the top choices that offer exceptional features, quality, and affordability. Whether you are a casual gamer, a content creator, or a professional, we have considered all your needs and preferences while curating this list. So if you're ready, let's dive right into our top picks for the best budget PC cases that strike the perfect balance between functionality, aesthetics, and value for money. 1. Corsair 3000D Airflow. Let's start with the Corsair 3000D Airflow. This PC case is specifically designed to provide excellent airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions or resource-intensive tasks. The case features a spacious interior, allowing for easy installation and cable management. With its sleek and modern design, the Corsair 3000D Airflow is a visually appealing choice that will complement any gaming setup. One of the standout features of this case is the direct airflow path design, which efficiently channels cool air to the hottest components, such as the CPU and GPU. Additionally, it comes with three included 120mm air guide fans that are optimized for high airflow and low noise levels. This ensures that your system remains cool and quiet, even under heavy loads. While the Corsair 3000D Airflow offers impressive features, it's important to note a potential drawback. Some users have reported that the front panel can be a bit challenging to remove, which can make cleaning and maintenance slightly inconvenient. However, considering its overall performance and affordability, this is a minor trade-off. 2. MSI Mid-Tower. Moving on to the MSI Mid-Tower, this PC case combines functionality with a stylish design. It boasts a spacious interior that accommodates various motherboard sizes, making it suitable for different build configurations. The case also features tempered glass side panels, allowing you to showcase your components and RGB lighting. One of the notable features of the MSI Mid-Tower is its excellent build quality. It is constructed with durable materials, ensuring longevity and stability. The case also offers ample space for cable management, allowing for a clean and organized build. Additionally, it comes with multiple fan mounting points, enabling you to enhance airflow and cooling efficiency. While the MSI Mid-Tower excels in many aspects, it's important to mention a potential drawback. Some users have reported that the included fans can be a bit noisy, especially at higher speeds. However, if you're planning to use your own fans or prefer a more customizable cooling solution, this may not be a significant concern. 3. NZXT H6 Flow. Moving on to the NZXT H6 Flow. This PC case combines a sleek design with excellent airflow capabilities. The case features a unique front panel design that maximizes the intake of cool air, keeping your components running at optimal temperatures, even during demanding tasks. Additionally, the NZXT H6 Flow offers ample space for cable management, allowing for a clean and organized build. One of the standout features of this case is its versatility. It accommodates various motherboard sizes, making it suitable for different build configurations. The NZXT H6 Flow also includes multiple fan mounting points, providing you with the flexibility to enhance cooling performance further. With its tempered glass side panel, you can showcase your components and RGB lighting, adding a touch of style to your setup. While the NZXT H6 Flow offers impressive features, it's important to note a potential drawback. Some users have reported that the front panel can be a bit challenging to remove, which can make cleaning and maintenance slightly inconvenient. However, considering its overall performance and affordability, this is a minor trade-off. 4. Antec NX200 M. Moving on to the Antec NX200 M, this PC case offers a balance between functionality and affordability. It features a mesh front panel that allows for excellent airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool, even during intense gaming sessions. The case also includes a dust filter to prevent the accumulation of dust and keep your system clean. One of the notable features of the Antec NX200 M is its compact size. It is designed to fit micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a smaller form factor. Despite its compact size, the case offers sufficient space for cable management and storage options. While the Antec NX200 M excels in many aspects, it's important to mention a potential drawback. Some users have reported that the cable management options can be a bit limited, which may require some extra effort to achieve a tidy build. However, considering its affordability and compact design, this case offers great value for budget-conscious builders. 5. Thermaltake S100. Next up is the Thermaltake S100, which offers a sleek and minimalistic design. This case focuses on providing a clean aesthetic while ensuring optimal functionality. It features a tempered glass side panel that allows you to showcase your components and RGB lighting. The Thermaltake S100 also includes a dust filter, helping to keep your system free from dust and debris. One of the standout features of this case is its modular design. It offers removable drive cages and modular HDD brackets, allowing for easy customization and flexibility in storage options. The Thermaltake S100 also provides excellent cable management, with ample space behind the motherboard tray to route and hide cables effectively. While the Thermaltake S100 offers impressive features, it's important to note a potential drawback. Some users have reported that the airflow could be improved, especially if you have high-power components. However, with proper fan placement and configuration, this case can still provide adequate cooling for most setups. Outro. And there you have it, our comprehensive review of the best budget PC cases available in the market today. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and helped you narrow down your choices for your next PC build. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, let us know in the comments which PC case you like the most, or if you have any recommendations for our audience. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy gaming and happy building.